For this award, we not only hope to gather good proposals from students to achieve SDGs, but we also hope that their proposal can be implemented for the good of society. We will now introduce the implementation process of the team winning the last year Best Innovation Award. Let us watch the video clip of their process.
Hi, I'm Fan Zhang from Kyushu University Faculty of Design, Japan. I'm the producer of SDGs Design International Awards. We have organized this award since 2019, intending to help the younger generation worldwide uncover issues and create a solution together. We do not want it to be just a proposal. We want to make it happen. That's why we started implementing the Best Innovation Awards proposal from SDGs Design International Awards 2020. It is a global collaboration project from Kyushu University in Japan and Donghua University in China. The details are as follows. We hope you will be motivated and excited after watching it.
辞旧迎新这个项目呢，是设计和社区相结合的一次尝试。尽管呢，它最终呈现的这个结果呢，是体量比较小，但是呢，它是真正的是一个全过程的与社区交互，来自于社区，同时又呈现于社区，又有很多参与的故事这样的一个作品。
嗨，大家好，我是东华大学机械工程学院工业设计系的老师沈琼，是这次辞旧迎新项目的策展人之一，也是项目导师之一。辞旧迎新项目呢，是主要由东华大学和日本九州大学的师生共同努力、积极配合得以完成，同时呢，也获得大有营造第三方的配合和支持。那么项目最终呢，其实也获得社区居民的一些共鸣和反思，一些良好的反馈。那么这一次的设计实践呢，其实对我们国际设计人才的协同培育开启了新的一页、新的篇章，也是一个抛砖引玉吧。希望之后呢，和张云芳老师呢在一起共同往这个方向我们再深入的研究。最后呢，我会积极的关注和重视我们像这个 SDGs 比赛，希望大赛呢越做越好非常感谢。
We are very happy to have the teacher in charge of this project, Associate Professor Shen Qiong from Donghua University in China, to share with us her experiences. Associate Professor Shen, please.
はい、皆さんこんにちは。私は中国東華 Hello, everyone. My name is Chen Shen, Associate Professor at the College of Mechanical Engineering, Donghua University, China. I'm a supervisor of this project. This event is a global collaboration and aims at the social implementation of solutions to social issues towards SDGs. But each community's unique life force and concept is made up of its local residents. The inspiration for our designs comes from the lives of the residents of the Shanghai Xinhua community. We worked with the residents to realize our goals of co-design, co-creation, and sharing. We gained valuable experience of practice of developing global human talent who address social issues. So moving forward, we would like to continue collaborating to nurture more global and multi-background talented people and contribute to the society. And I look forward to working with you. Thank you.
We also have Zhou Zhichen, the student leader of this project, to tell us more about this project and his reflection in the following video.
Hello everyone, I'm the project reporter Zhou Zhichen. Our project is research on product design to improve the quality of life of the elder in Shanghai community, which is based on the award-winning project of Kyushu University last year. In the preliminary research stage, we spent 2 months. Team members gathered to discuss, brainstorm, and make a mind map. After that, the team visited the residents of Xinhua Street to determine their living habits and what they need most. Gathered psychological needs of residents such as lack of communication and loneliness, and determine the general direction of the whole practice project. Then, under the guidance of 2 teachers and partners, I spent 3 months drafting multiple design schemes, reporting once a week, integrating design elements such as Xinhua street story, Shanghai culture, and Chinese culture, and focusing on the activity form of old property transformation. Therefore, we began to design this practical activity. The porcelain old welcome new in the 1 square meter section of 2021 Shanghai Urban Space Art Season (SUSAS) will continue to be held until November. Also, under the guidance of the 2 teachers, I cooperated with the Big Fish construction company and led the 4 team members to carry out the activities. We use a form of co-design to build the project so that residents and us can jointly assume the responsibility of scheme planning and activity participation. The purpose of the project is to appeal to everyone to reflect on the current situation of intergenerational communication, resolve contradictions, and improve the happiness of communication life of the elderly. The work is a 2.5D poster made of fragments obtained from the collection and polishing of recycled waste ceramics. It tells the real story of residents and is exhibited for 2 months. How do we determine the content of the exhibition? In the research stage, we first visited the elderly residents again and got a lot of stories, both happy and sad. Through sorting, the topics of communication with child and ceramic products not needed at home, often mentioned by residents, attracted us. Because the contradictions of intergenerational communication is very prominent, and ceramics is a symbol of Chinese culture. Ceramics are also very accessible and non-renewable materials. We have decided to use it as materials and intergenerational communication as a design theme. To improve the quality of life of elderly residents on the one hand and call for environmental protection and sustainable development on the other. After the investigation, we held a story exchange meeting of telling stories and winning prizes. We also collected a lot of stories related to the theme. After finishing, 4 stories are determined as the final ones to be presented and exhibited. Of course, our installation site is also matched with the theme. We choose to collage on the cement board and then nail it on the wall near the home of the 4 protagonists. In the design output stage, we first made 4 posters corresponding to the 4 stories. After that, we made it in the workshop provided drilled holes on the wall and installed it. Here's what posters look like after installation. Finally, here's their renderings for our exhibition. Although this process is long and difficult, I'm satisfied as long as the residents are willing to stop for our works. The above is the report of our project. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Zichen. With this, we conclude this segment.